Morning to everyone. In the last class, we discussed about the what is the database and what is the database management system. Now we have to discuss about the database models. In the database model, we have a three types of database model. What are the three types means? First one is the hierarchical model, high level model or conceptual. Second one is the representation and or implementation model. Third one is the low level or physical model. Once I will revise the previous class. What is the data? That data is the raw bit of fact, that is the real time of the object. For the maintenance of the data, the collection of all the data, the collection of the all the facts is called as a database. For the maintenance of the database, we have a one software. That software is called as a database management system. In the collection of data or database plus software is called as a DBA, database administration or database software. In this we have to use some different types of models. What are the model? High level or conceptual model, representation or implementation model. Third one is the low level or physical model. For the building of the software, for the constructing of the software, we need some different types of model. First we have to for example, if you want to construct a building, first we have to analyze how we have to construct our building. One blueprint we have to design, right? Which area we have to allocate for the bedroom or hall or kitchen, like that we have to analyze. For one architecture we have to draw. Same like that only for the implementation of the, for designing of the software, here having the high level or conceptual. In this level we have to analyze how our structure will be represent, how our structure will be built. For total analysis will be done by the high level or conceptual database model. Next one is the representation or implementation. In the representation or implementation model, which type of things we need for the implement for particular database, which type of objects we need, which things we have to use, which tools we have to use for the implementation of the particular software, that will be done, that will be represent. We have to do some work in the using the different types of tools or different types of things we have to use, and we have to perform some work. That is called as a representation or implementation model. Next one is the low level or physical model. Finally the structure will be finalized, we have to constructed, we have to design the final implementation, is it working or not. The physical part, the physical implementation done in the low level data model. The most important is the high level. In the high level modeling only we are having the ER model. In the DBMS system we have to use the ER model. Later we have to discuss about the ER modeling, entity relationship modeling. First we have to know the high level or conceptual level, that first one. Representation or implementation, that is the second one. Low level or physical is the third level. Just general example, we have to construct one building. For that we have to draw one design, our dream of our house, that is go to the high level. Next, which type of things we have to use for constructing the house, that will be done by the representation or implementation. Finally physically we have to constructed our building, that is called as a physical level or low level database modeling. In our software language, in the high level, just we are constructed one thing, or just we have to analyze one chart, or this is one blueprint here we are taking. In this we have to insert some tables, that is the some tables we are using, that will be go to the representation. We have to allocate the table in the different types of storage areas. We have to allocate the tables in the different storage areas. This is total different types of models. These are the three models in our database modeling. We are taking one blueprint chart, that is go for the high level. In that we have to insert some table. Charts are tables, in the second we have to insert here. Finally we have to allocate, we have to store one place, and we have to build, that is go for the physical level modeling or physical or low level modeling. This is about the database models. In the database model, in the high level modeling, we are having the entity relationship model. Entity relationship. In the DBMS, this is the main part. In next class we have to discuss about the entity relationship modeling. This is the small concept about the database modeling.